Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to resend invoice here in Stripe. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Stripe, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Resending an invoice in Stripe is a straightforward process that is beneficial if the original invoice may have been filtered to the spam or junk folder, or there could have been a typo in the customer's email address. The email could have bounced or failed to deliver due to technical issues, making resending necessary. Now, once you are logged into your Stripe account, depending on how you set it up, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on the invoices. For example, you wanted to send this particular invoice right here. There's gonna be an option here on the three dots, wherein all you have to do is click on edit invoice. All right, so if you wanted to make sure that the information are correct, you might want to take a look, because checking, it pays to check. All right, and the email, make sure that the email are correct, because the reason of resending is, again, if the email could have bounced or failed to deliver, right? So for example, if the customer may have missed the email or forgotten to pay the invoice, especially if they receive many emails, you might want to do so. All right, all I gotta do is click on this section right here. All right, so there's gonna be an option here on the email payment page. Click the update invoice, because when you do that, it will give you a status. Click the update invoice. There's gonna be a status at the bottom that says the invoice was sent to the email that you have put in. All right, so that's one way to resend the invoice. The next option is gonna be, you're gonna be able to see an option here that says send invoice. I want you to click on it, and of course from here you can send it to the email that you wanted. All right, so this is going to be another way for you to resend the invoice. Okay, make sure the information are correct. And if you want to copy in someone, say for example, if you're working with multiple team members or maybe one of your clients, you might want to copy them in. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on send test invoice, and voila, you have already resent the invoice again. The third option is not the traditional way of resending. You might want to click this option right here that says download PDF. Click that. Once the PDF has been downloaded, all you have to do is attach it to your email and resend that to the email address that you wanted to, that you intended to send that. Okay, that's three ways. Now, if you click the edit invoice, there is an option here that says delivery. If you wanted to email invoice to customers like a custom reminder, you might want to configure email reminders as well. All right, say if they haven't been paid to if they're due already and you wanted to have them settle the invoice, you might want to do so and set the advanced invoicing features here. All right, you can use custom retry schedule. For example, if the invoice was already sent and after 3 days it wasn't replied back, or the client hasn't paid yet, you might want to retry 3 days, 5 days, and 7 days. You can also enable bank debit payments, and you can send reminders if a one-time off invoice hasn't been paid. All right, you can add 7 days after it was due, or you can also add the reminder in this specific dates. Once you've done that, you can have an advanced invoicing features for resending here on your Stripe account. But again, if you encounter any problems resending your invoice here on your account, click on the upper right corner where it says help, click the support center, view support articles, and from here you might want to type in your question to see if you have an answer. If you don't, hover down here to where it says contact sales, You would be forwarded in this section. Try to send an email and they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix the problem of resending invoice here in Stripe. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.